Happy Sunday. And I just wanted to share something with you that has been a habit of mine for, oh my goodness, I want to say about 33 years of my life. And it's a habit that I've created because it keeps my mind and my heart and my connection to what I'm going to call God in alignment. Because I don't know about you, but when I open my eyes in the morning and I'm laying there, there's a lot of things that go through my mind that don't align with my purpose, the way I want to live my life, the way I want to think. I mean, sometimes I've had a dream and it's affected me so much that I wake up digesting it and I'm like, what was that all about? And then if I have a lot of things going on in my life, which I always do, or there's some concern I have for somebody that I love, or a project that I'm doing, or something's not going quite well, this hamster wheel of negativity gets rocking and rolling, and it can set my day off in the wrong direction. So this is what I have. You probably can see it back here. I have a stack of books, and that's my favorite chair. I get out of bed and I sit down with it, and I always read something inspirational. And I want to share with you one of the books that I've been reading on and off for, I want to say I've had this for about 15 years, although it's much older than that. And I'm going to share with you some other amazing, profound teachers that I have found over the years that have been so instrumental in me learning about manifestation, divine alignment, creating wealth and money and happiness and love and success and fitness and responsibility and creating romance. I mean, I don't know what I would do without these teachers that are in these books. And this is what I do in the morning. I sit in my favorite spot, and sometimes I just randomly open a book. I haven't been doing that with this book because I've really enjoyed reading, and I don't always read much more than a paragraph. And let me just share with you, so the title of this particular passage is Peace and Prosperity. I love that, right? Wouldn't it be amazing to know that you could create prosperity in a peaceful way? And what's interesting about this book is that Florence Scovel Shinn, she talks and breaks apart and digests the messages in the Bible and what they really mean, which I love about her. And this, oh my goodness, I think her teachings are, this book is from 1925 and her oldest book is from 1940. It still applies for today. So she refers to Psalms in here, and you can refer to it as anything you want. But she says people who are manifesting the appearance of lack are in the state of fear and confusion. They are not wide awake to their good and miss leads and opportunities. A peaceful person is a wide awake person. He sees clearly and acts quickly. He never misses a trick. That's kind of something my mom would say, I never miss a trick. And then she always goes on and tells a story about one of her clients that she worked with, because I would say from the readings that I have studied of hers is that she was like an oracle teacher. And she said she would give people like remedies, and her remedies was listening to them and then talking to them in a way that their subconscious mind could hear it. So I would strongly recommend getting a stack of books, putting them somewhere where you sit in the morning and you have your cup of coffee, just opening them randomly and reading a paragraph yourself. Florence Scovel Shinn also has this incredible workbook, and there's a few that I have followed. She has one, it's called The Game of Life and How to Play it, and it's so similar. I love her workbook, so that might be something that you might be interested in. So I hope that's helpful for you. A credible way to be prayerful in the morning is to just sit in silence, read something that's going to feed not just your mind, but your heart and your soul. It's what it gets you in alignment for the day. For me, this is like nutrients for the soul, and I don't miss a day. And many times I do this several times a day just to keep me in this high vibrational space so that I can really manifest and live into the greatest life that I'm meant to live. And I want you to do that as well. It's Deb Cleveland. Thanks so much for following me. I hope you have a glorious, amazing day, and bye for now.